This is part 2. If you want to see part 1, click here. I'm waiting. I'm getting really impatient. This video is going to be split up into different parts. Click on ones that are relevant to you. So now that you got your server, how do you connect to it via remote desktop? Well, you can either use remote desktop, which comes with Windows, or you can use TightVNC, which I use sometimes. Link is in the description. Install it, run the application, enter the server IP/port into the field to connect to your server. Once you connect to the server, it may ask for a username/password. Enter that information and it should connect up. Go to Start, type in Windows Firewall with Advanced Security, click on that. Go where it says Inbound and make a new rule. Click Port, make it under TCP, type in the port you want to open. Click next. Put a name there, can be anything. Finish, and then do the same thing, but make it UDP instead. Go into the description to find the link for SteamCMD. You're going to have to extract it, so you might need to get a program like WinRAR to open it. Extract SteamCMD.exe file into any folder, doesn't matter what folder it is. Now run SteamCMD as administrator. This depends on what game you want to host. If it's a game that needs a subscription, you're going to have to log in with your Steam account details with the game provided. But I'm going to log in as anonymous, and I'm going to force install dir into a path, any path. Now that is force _install _dir. Now I'm going to do app_update space 420 validate. But as you can see, I don't have the game, so you're going to have to log in under your Steam account to get that if you have the game. To see the list of game servers you can host, go to this link in the description, dedicated server list, and it should show all the games you can host. But some games require you to have the game on your Steam account. That's the only downside. A little program I recommend is something called HL Server Monitor. Link is in the description if you want to get it. It's quite a simplistic thing. I'm showing you on screen on how to do it. You can essentially just add servers in a list, and you can also task it to where servers restart at certain times. Another thing to note, when you're hosting from a provider, you're going to have to type in -IP space and then the public IP of your server, and you also want to specify a port. This program also allows you to specify which course it should use, but warning, this program only allows source engine based servers. Regarding TeamSpeak, you can actually get a exe file from their website and just run a 32 slot server. That's the max. If you want higher, you're going to have to buy from a company that's licensed to do so, unfortunately. Thanks for watching this short, but I hope informative series. I made it short because that was my goal. I didn't want it to make it a huge series, you know, possibly hours long, talking about how to do every intricate bit, you know. I'm just doing this for more the people that are used to using Windows on a daily basis, and I might do some more tutorials in the future. So I hope you enjoyed it, and yeah, see you in the next video, guys.